Mastering Python's error handling involves using try, except, else, and finally blocks. The try block tests code for errors, while except handles exceptions. The else block executes if no exceptions occur, and finally ensures cleanup actions run regardless of errors. These techniques are crucial for building resilient, production-ready applications. Unhandled exceptions can abruptly terminate programs, risking data corruption and user frustration. In production, this leads to lost revenue and damaged reputations. For instance, a divide by zero error in financial reporting can halt processes, depriving stakeholders of vital data. Professional developers anticipate failures, ensuring systems recover gracefully and maintain stability. An exception disrupts program execution when Python encounters an operation it can't complete. For instance, dividing by zero raises a zero division error, using an undefined variable triggers a name error, and adding a string to an integer results in a type error. Python's exception hierarchy allows catching broad or specific errors, facilitating precise error management. A Python traceback provides crucial details for debugging. The header indicates the most recent call, showing where the error originated. It specifies the file location and line number, highlighting the exact spot of the exception. The code context displays the problematic line, while the exception type and message offer descriptive error information. Reading tracebacks bottom to top can quickly reveal the root cause. The try block in Python is crucial for handling risky code. It creates a protected environment where Python monitors for exceptions. If no error occurs, all statements execute normally. However, if an exception arises, execution jumps to the corresponding except block, bypassing remaining try block code. This mechanism ensures program stability by isolating problematic code. The complete try except else finally syntax enhances error handling. The try block contains code that might raise exceptions. Specific or general exceptions are managed in except blocks. The else block executes only if no exceptions occur, allowing further data processing. The finally block always runs, ensuring cleanup, such as closing files, regardless of exceptions.